hetkel rongis, kuidas on emotsioonid?
Ei tea veel.
Kuidas on teie emotsioonid?
Udine.
Aga teie?
Kutan õige, aga ootas ära.
Ootasime. Ja siis me sõidame Tallinna poole. Nüüd tuli välja, me peame minema hoopis teisele poole. Kinni panid praegu, sest ta nägi, et sa tuled kaameraga.
Kuues ajaga.
Kust see järsku tuli?
Ei ta varastas seda siin PlayStationis.
Mis korrus on läheb?
8.
Lähme 10.
Miks me 10.
Drive'ist läheb
Siin on kõik.
Going down. Miks me lähme?
8. Ei lähe 11.
11 on kiibiga, ma arvan. 11 on Ahminni. Ma sest... Kuidas emotsioonid on?
See on pidur või? Pidur, see oli pidur.
Sa pead nitrot ka panema.
Me tulime kommipoodi, kus see filmib. Me tulime kommipoodi.
Puppa, 9 eurot. See on röövimine, see on röövimine.
Me leidsime üliminut siuksed, vaata, tiivad käivad lahti. Meil on nii ja buss on läbi.
Tõesti.
Me oleme saabunud Soome Heurekasse. Meil on siis sealt... Ei ole Heurek. Me varsti oleme. Me oleme seal. See on kommid. Kommid, kus on Estonia peale kirjutatud, siis ma hiljem avastasin, et need on Leedus. Oi. Me oleme saabunud kuhu? Heureka. So we made it to Heureka and we switched to our costumes. And what are we waiting for?
We are waiting for the opening ceremony.
Yes. And how do we feel?
Stressed. nüüd me lähme ja paneme need asjad ära.
Siit me naaksmine läheb.
Oskate ikka ära panna?
Jah.
Kindel? Mis on praegu?
Mis te teete?
Me ostame ära inimesi.
Altkäemaks või?
Ja näed, valuuta.
Kleepsed. So we are in our practice time right now. We have 10 minutes to practice. What are we gonna do?
Practice.
Robotimäng on väga hale. So, how is the feeling after the final game?
Not very good, could have been better.
What could have been better?
The robot part.
Okay, what are your emotions? All the robo games have ended.
I think we need a lot more practice,
But happily we have 2 weeks to
Yes.
Estonian finals, so we have time
we
to
have
practice.
to practice and some more things to make faster, more accurate, and yes.
Yeah. So we are cleaning up right now because all the robo games have been finished for us, and then we are gonna finish the Eureka Center for a little bit, and then it's the ceremony. We got candy from some team.
Hullut hai. Thank you very much.
Our robot games are over. We just ended cleaning up, and we were communicating with another team's teacher. I think he's a teacher. So we shared our knowledges about our website, and now we are going to the Eureka Center to have some fun. We have the stickers as a ticket. Let's see if we get it.
Okay.
How was the bike up there?
It was like aha keskus.
robotic earbuds, and the code was documented very well. And the science project was based on a real problem. Also, the presentation was professional and very well made. Tämän palkinnon saaja on Laagri IR Unicorns.
And here we are after a long day. What will you say? How was the competition today?
Very good.
What are your emotions?
Good.
Good. And what do we have here? Two things.
Very good.
How is my making story? Very good. But then we are all very good, and now we are leaving the Heureka Center, sadly, but we are going home now.
No, we're going home.
Millega tegelete?
me kirjutame uurimiste faili, sest et nagu näha, siis mõni siin seda teha ei viitsi.
Oi, teen.
Võttis praegu vahele seal.